New year, a lot of people in the gym. But I want us to think about being active with our money. This is not the lazy year when it comes to wealth creation. We have to be active. That means we have to take specific steps every day. We have to be consistent. We have to be disciplined. Same like how you're going out every day to the gym, you're being consistent with your healthy eating, healthy lifestyle. What about the wealthy lifestyle? We have to take action there too. That means consistent habits around wealth creation. But maybe you don't know what those are. The place to learn about them is the Wealth Bootcamp. It's gonna be January 12 to 14. Sign up at profitjumpstarter.com/wealth bootcamp. As I tell you, we're not lazy this year. We're all about action. So make sure you are at that Wealth Bootcamp, ready to come and take action to build wealth. We're not talking about money. We're talking about a wealthy lifestyle, wealthy habits, wealthy systems, wealthy processes.